You got to be able to laugh at yourself. Perego. Otherwise, it's dreadful. Welcome back to the Great Outdoors. We're outside today because I recently acquired 2 projects that were generously donated to me, and they both happen to be John Deere Gators. Since this is a beautiful day outside and it's cooled off, I decided I'll be working on these outside. And what I'm going to try to figure out is if I can put some power to them and see if they still work, and potentially what each one will need. Let's get started. From what I can tell, they basically took out the stock battery, got rid of the compartment altogether, mounted a drill battery plate on top, wired it straight to the wiring harness, which is fine. This one here looks like the adapter is missing. It's just the wires. So being this is meant to see if this runs or not, I've got some Ryobi battery adapters off of Amazon. They have decent ratings, so I think they'll work. I got my Ryobi batteries, and then I got some zip ties, as this is going to be a temporary thing. So allegedly, Perego uses I believe it's a 12 gauge wire. It's pretty beefy. I got my wire stripped. I believe red is positive and blue is negative. Yep, that's what they did on the drill battery, so good enough for me. All right, I got my adapter. The cool thing about these Ryobi adapters I got, it is about roughly a 12 gauge wire. It does come with a fuse, so if it doesn't work out or something overloads, the fuse blows. And it does have an option to mount using mounting screws here. You just drill a big hole for this somewhere, or just kind of mount it however. And keep in mind when this goes in, though, you have to have room for the whole enchilada, if you will. So I think my enchilada is going to probably go like this, and then I'm going to zip tie it somehow and keep it happy and call it good. Go and turn it off. It's tight fit, which is, I guess I can be happy with, but there we go. I don't know if it's clicking in. There we go. I heard something click. All right. Try the gear lever. Gear shifter. Whoa! It works. Is there a way to go in reverse?
Yes.
That's like fast. Here, I need to move my stuff out of the way. That's fine.
You can try the other one.
Okay. How are you liking the orange thing?
I like it.
Okay.
Look, there's something behind me. No, it's the tire.
Hang on. Oh! It works. Hold on.
When you press it down.
Whoa!
When you press it down, it goes reverse. Yeah.
That tire is toast. give this one the juice. Uh-oh. I wonder if I have a stripped out gearbox. The passenger side rear tire turns just fine. So here's what we know. The one on the left here, functionally it works. Both gearboxes, no problem. The shifter looks like they did some sort of speed thing, or even then, I'm not really sure how this works, to be honest. I guess you hold down reverse and then it goes first and then second. Something like that. I think that's meant to limit the speed. So I might look into replacing some pieces on that. Obviously, it's going to need new stickers. That's all fine and dandy. The plastic is faded out. That can be fixed, I believe. Again, part support for these are freaking amazing. You can literally build one of these from the ground up, minus the chassis. The lift gate situation, it's good. It seems to work, so that's positive. It has somewhat of a rack. This is, I believe, what they use to help dump the bed, but a lot of times those get broken. I'm going to probably look into a different way for dumping the bed. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube use electrical actuators and a separate battery just for this to tilt back. And I kind of want to maybe do something like that, at least with one of them. Maybe I'll use stock parts on one, and then on the other I'll go all out. That's kind of where I'm kind of leaning towards. One of these will be for just kind of putting it back to where it was and put it back to in good running order and good shape. And then use the other, put on lights, put on the electrical actuator for the dump bed. Maybe put on a brake pedal, stereo, because you gotta have music while you work, right? So I do know both rear tires on these. You can tell right here. I mean, toast. It'll run, but they are definitely toast. So, and yeah, it's got some missing pieces and stuff, but honestly, I'm really excited about this. This will be a future project on the channel. So make sure you tune in for some Perego John Deere Gator content. As we come to a wrap, please like and subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and be sure to check out the website www.reviveriderace.com to learn more. In the meantime, fix it, charge it, send it.